But these upcoming Amazon products could sell out fast in 2026. Amazon is about to launch some insane new products, and most people don't even know about them. First up, this smart home device uses AI to adapt to your routine. It learns your habits, like when you wake up or leave the house, and automatically adjusts your lights, temperature, and even your coffee maker. It's expected to launch soon, and early users usually get the best price. You can find the link in the description. Next, Amazon is pushing wellness tech hard this year. This product is a game changer. It tracks your body in real time, monitoring things like your posture, hydration levels, and sleep quality. It then gives you personalized recommendations to help improve your daily habits and feel your best. It's like having a personal health coach with you 24/7. Now, let's talk about products that have that viral potential. Products like this usually go viral on TikTok within weeks of launching. It's affordable, incredibly useful, and perfect for everyday life. Think about those portable blenders or wireless chargers that everyone suddenly had. This next one is designed to be just as popular, simplifying a task you do every single day. Which one of these would you buy? Comment the number below. Okay, moving on. Beauty tech is absolutely exploding on Amazon right now, and this next product is leading the charge. It's a smart skincare tool that analyzes your skin and provides a customized treatment. Early buyers of these kinds of gadgets usually save the most, getting in before the price goes up with the hype. And finally, my personal favorite. This product isn't everywhere yet, but it won't stay that way. It's a glimpse into the future of productivity and could easily become an Amazon bestseller. It's a new type of wearable AI assistant designed to help you stay organized and focused throughout your day. Keep an eye on this one. So, how do you get your hands on them early? It's actually pretty simple. Add these upcoming products to your Amazon wishlist. Follow the new brands on their store pages. And most importantly, check the links in the description for any early access opportunities I've found for you. Here are a few more pro tips. Inside the Amazon app, you can often enable launch alerts for specific items. Also, keep an eye out for the new release tags on product pages, and always try to grab those special launch day discounts that brands offer to their first customers. All the links for these upcoming finds are in the description. Make sure you subscribe for more upcoming Amazon finds so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.